Hello everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. We have a marathon runner here that unfortunately just came to me last week, right before the marathon. So we weren't able to get him ready for the New York City Marathon this past Sunday, but we're definitely going to get him running that marathon next year. I want to show you guys something that's interesting that a lot of people would miss. So a lot of times people focus on the plantar fascia underneath the foot, which makes sense. He has plantar fasciitis, but long term, you have to put orthotics in there because plantar fasciitis comes from flat feet or flat arches of the feet. So we just scanned his feet. He does have 2 of the 3 arches compressed or flattened, the lateral and the transverse arch. So long term, I suggest that he wears orthotics, custom orthotics, and the over-the-counter really only fix the medial arch. So if you have a lateral arch problem or a transverse arch, first of all, a podiatrist won't even see it because it's not visible, and it's a lower arch like the medial arch. You can, if you take your shoe off, you can see your medial arch. So having your foot scanned is much better option because it uses lasers, so it's reading the exact height. So we did find that he had flat feet. We're gonna get him some orthotics soon. But I wanted to show you this. His ankle is subluxated. So watch this. And I hope you guys can see from here. When I dorsiflex his feet, this right foot over here flexes much more than the left one. So we're gonna adjust this ankle and just relax yourself. Okay, and one more. Now we're going to test it again, and look at that. Almost identical. Still a little tight on this side, but much, much better. You notice that? How's that? Good? Okay, cross your arms in front of you. And tuck your chin, deep breath in. And blow all the way out. Okay, good. And that's how we adjust the ankle for people with plantar fasciitis. Not every adjustment goes like that. Sometimes I have to adjust the arch. Just depends. But that's an example of an ankle adjustment for somebody that has tight calves, tight Achilles, or really tight, painful plantar fascia. Thanks for tuning in. And thanks for letting us shoot this video.